Hey everyone, just wanted to share my experience at Gastro 501 in Toronto. This place is seriously incredible. First off, the atmosphere is amazing. They have this incredible open kitchen where you can watch all the action. The chefs are working their magic over these massive grills and in the wood-fired oven. And there's a bar right next to it, so you can grab a drink while you soak it all in. Now, let's talk about the food. I started with the Carbonara pizza, and it was pure heaven. The crust was perfectly crispy. The creamy sauce, the crispy guanciale. Seriously, a must-try. Next up, I had the lasagna. This was one of the richest, most flavorful lasagnas I've ever had. The layers were perfectly cooked, and the meat sauce was so deeply satisfying. And for dessert, I couldn't resist the tiramisu. It was light and airy, with just the right amount of coffee flavor. The perfect ending to an incredible meal. Seriously, if you're looking for an amazing Italian dining experience in Toronto, Gastro 501 is a must-visit. The food is incredible, the atmosphere is electric, and the service is top-notch. You won't be disappointed.